Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can unlock super flight in Anime Simulator. So to start, you'll have to open your Roblox account, and then once you're on your account, search for the game Anime Simulator. After that, you'll have to open the game, and then once you're on the game, the first thing that you need to do is to reach a specific level. You typically need to achieve a certain level or rank in the game to access Superflight. Make sure you check your current level and then aim to level up. The second one is you'll have to complete a quest. Look for a specific quest or task that may need to be completed to unlock this ability. After that, you will have to collect resources. Some abilities requires you to gather resources or currency within the game. Once you're done with that, you'll have to visit the training area. If it's applicable, head to a designated training area where you can practice or unlock Superflight. And then the last one is you can consult endgame guides. You will have to utilize endgame tutorials or guides that provides specific instructions for unlocking Superflight game. So those are the steps on how you can unlock Superflight in Anime Simulator. I hope this video helped you out, and then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any videos on our channel, and I'll see you on our next video.